Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Limitless Alpha. My name is Amro, and today I'm going to tell you the difference between the word say and tell. But before we start, if you comment within an hour of this video, or you send this video to 2 of your friends, send me a message on Skype and we can have a 30-minute conversation call, and I will tell you how you can improve your English. Okay, so a lot of students make this very simple yet confusing mistake. Sometimes they can say, "John, I want to say you that this is wrong." Or, "John, I want to tell that this is very wrong." This is really wrong. It's a very simple formula. If you want to use the word tell, it has to be followed by an objective pronoun, such as me. Tell me, him, her, them. I want to tell you something. I want to tell him something, and so on. But if you use the word say, the only thing that you need to do is say this: I want to say something. It doesn't need to be followed by an objective pronoun. So this is how you can avoid this mistake. It's very simple. Use that formula. I'm going to give you guys an example that you will never forget. So if you watch movies, sometimes the actor can say he's delivering a sad message to someone, that, for example, a family member died. "John, I don't know how to say this, but she passed away." Or, "John, I don't know how to tell you this. She passed away." For example, I'm gonna give you guys 2 examples, and if you solve them, good job. Example number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to something. Are you going to use say or tell? If you used say, good job, well done. Example number 2. I'm sorry, can I speak with you for a second? I want to you something. If you said tell you something, good job. Now you're starting to understand the formula. Same thing applies to said or told. I told you, I told her something. I said that I will do this. Okay? It's very simple. All you have to do is just keep practicing and you will get there. Alright, well, I hope this helps. Comment down below your thoughts. And as always, keep up the good work. Speak to you guys later.